Hey all, welcome to Osium. Myself Shabib. So today we are going through the histological parts of the 104 module, the CPS. Okay, I know that most of you guys ignore histo because it contains very less marks. But let me be honest, it is one of the easiest subjects to score marks. You can just give very short time and score more than 90% of the marks. So let us see the marking scheme of histology in this module. We have the total of 56 marks for histo, out of which the 17 marks are for the MCQ exam, 22 marks are for the written exam, and the remaining 17 marks for the practical exam. We have mainly the main four chapters: the cardiovascular system, lymphatic and macrophage system, and respiratory system, and finally the cytogenetics. Okay, let's see what are we learning in these chapters. The first chapter, cardiovascular system, everything about the heart and the vessels, the heart histology, arteries and veins, their structures, the layers, everything, and also the arterial venous connections, anastomosis, etc. The second chapter will be lymphatic and macrophage system, mainly about the immune response in our body. We will learn about some lymphatic organs, which are lymph node, spleen, tonsils, thymus, and about the macrophage systems. Okay. The next chapter will be respiratory system, about the lungs. We know our lungs is divided into conducting portion and respiratory portion. We have discussed this in physiology. Okay, we will learn the histological structures and features of the conducting portion, the respiratory portion, and about the alveoli, their structure, and the alveolar macrophages. The final chapter will be cytogenetics. We all are familiar with these topics: the cell cycle, cell division, chromosomes, and chromosomal abnormalities. See, guys, these chapters are very easy. Just spend a little time with us, and you can score a good mark in Histo 104. We will not let you down. Thank you.